Because we're a small school, it allows our students to try lots of different things and be successful. They don't have to choose necessarily. And it's a safe way for them to try something new.
Smaller class sizes, they give way more opportunities to different people. So like, everyone can be in a musical, everyone can be in a club. At the Harrisburg Academy winter concert, I composed something that it's just an fully instrumental piece that was about 3 minutes long, and I couldn't have done it without the help of Mr. Gammon or Mr. Shover.
Not having to fight for a voice, I think, is what makes the Academy very unique to us. So we see the small class sizes as such a plus for her.
Yeah, being in small classes definitely benefits the learning environment between our teachers and the classmates. And I feel like having that one-on-one time and being able to either stop in during a study hall or them being able to help us out during class is definitely very beneficial.
You do not have the luxury within a small sort of classroom setting to be anonymous. Use individuals outside of their comfort zone that they're going to face in life. And being able to have that experience here, you can experiment, you can control, you can also then understand more about yourself.